so far I didn't as an this thing because somehow we become targeted by the people whereby they want to sell their house. Then we don't want them to sell their house.
Yes.
So we become targeted. Suddenly, if Suvas Kokotel, we have to find in Walo. Muntlomina, I have a matter in my house whereby someone is a or for one targeted, then I become arrested because those people they are connected. Then suddenly it happened routine. When it comes to votes, we ask because no one has a proper paper.
Yes, that's true.
Who does approve? One
Belongs to me.
yeah. And even though there is an agreement between me and now, but the Uma meanings of Danias, that agreement it was a way of mouth. You cannot prove it unless otherwise it's written down. And there's a lot of stories whereby people they came, but we agree, but we don't have proof any. Not to tell you, I'm not sure no, you have to prove it. No, I don't know. I'm just putting my story on the circumstances I used to meet with. After some after some few months, they demolished the house.
That's a challenge.
They build another huge house. But when you follow, you only find that the house is already sold to a rich person. Bakhiphe umuntu anabantwana. Mabamkhipha anabantwana, it's a shame kulo. Naye leyo RDP bekayibona a big house kubi. But when they demolish, then we end up saying we cannot vote. Because when it comes to votes, there's a house to house basibhalisa ngapha ezindlini. Then we want to know now who are you registering to? Because it in asinamaphepha. And after voting it, no, you cannot stay in those houses while in anamaphepha. Shouldn't is illegal. But why are you registering people in the legal houses? Those are some of the things that Smitana. Somehow we say, umuntu mangabe ufuna indlu yakhe. It's either agreed or not agreed. Let them go to the municipality. When they go to the municipality can come. As okay, nobody agreed, it's fine. Then what are you saying? Umangabe uyavuma but okay, an alternative house. Because the municipality they are running away from the law that is there in the human settlement, where it says if you stay long, they have to remove you and give you a proper house. But umangabe usisi yakhe lendlu unamaphepha wakhe bese uyamkhipha uzothola that house. It's a shame because somehow it's black to black. The fight ibhekana nathi on the ground, but the municipality somehow they even sold the houses because uyothola ukuthi umnikazi walendlu original yakhe beyise first aid lo wase first aid yakhe ila but umakangena kunemali ezakhe before. So we've got a huge cases against this. We even wrote an email to judiciary. That's the issue yala izoyenza ukuthi abantu bafe ngaphakathi ngoba usisi mafuna indlu uyotshela i-boyfriend yakhe angisho ukuthi uyotshela i-boyfriend yakhe iproject isithanda bayanya mabamala bayangena iminyango kugabantwana abakhipha ibhamu and order. You understand what kunjani? Thina when we came here with peace to hear ukuthi now what will happen abanye abantu sebalimele order. You understand? Abantu bangena ezindlini moto yakhuluma ukuthi ngiyethu simayisenze njani. But the municipality uyasikela just like this. On November we'll vote. Some of the politicians will be around, but no sizomlwela ezindlini ngeke niphume nina bhalisani niyovote. You understand? Uma baceda ukuvote then baphuma ngapha. Say here comes usisi naye umfuni. Somewhere you might find ukuthi angakhuluma iqiniso. Somewhere it might find ukuthi kwenzeka kunamanga. Because when we check, you only find with the agreement that they've made with Sibusiso. Sibusiso is a deceased. And they've made agreement there, no Mama Gamdwan. Mama Gamdwan is a deceased. If I'm are you with me in that? Mara manje uma kasibusisi when I hear this story. Uhe mina wakhuluma nami nini? Kwenzakala? It's a denial story. Nanoma ngabe uyasazi deep. But how can you prove that? Angazi uyangizwisisa. I'm not defending you. I'm not fighting with you. I'm not defending them. I'm not fighting with them. But the story is, you only find that no one can prove ukuthi vele sazwana. Then somehow when it comes to the law, uma uya report with us phone simthethweni. First of all was it now, where is the title deed? When they ask the title deed only to find with that house, it is written Greater Groblersdal municipality, Elias Mtshali municipality. But this house doesn't belong to anyone. Meaning the present person who's in the house, how long he has been staying. It's more than 6 months. But we give him a title for that particular person. And then we have left the agreement, verbal agreement. Are you with me? Yeah.
That's why, but 2 months. After 2 months, nesibuya bala. Sabona ukuthi njengoba benza so benzela ukuthi kubuyele kule ya problem basibusisi besibuya. That's why thina besithi njengoba usibusisa sholi abalethe ebhegama. Hello. Ungasangiyeba ngasafakani bona. Abalethe amakhaya. Ngisho bayazi ukuthi usibusisa uze njani. Indla kusingiyani. Uze ngaliphi bani. So usibusisa ukhanda. Amakhaya wabuyele kuphisa kamkhulu bisho. Akabuyele intwaneni nayo umnikazi. Abaseka mkhulu. Lo owabavumelana ukuthi abafake usibusisi. So bathi 3 months. 3 months endlulile. Ngiyakuzwisisa nokwala ukuthi 6 months.
Yeah, mina I'm afraid ukurespond ne. Mina I'm just giving the guideline ukuthi na ama circumstances esihlangana nawo ngwa. Kuyenzeka nikhuluma iqiniso. And kuyenzeka ninama.
Kuyenzeka ne 6 months leyo ukhulume iqiniso kodwa ngathi more than 6 months.
Yeah.
Lo ebesigijimisa ukuthi angahlali sekana leso sikhathi.
Uyangizwisisa ukuthi njani? And manje when you check ukuthi na nina nifuna indlu you agree then na bayavuma na ukuthi ni agree. Someone ngathi there is a denial. Then you ukuthi yeah, so kuyoba ukuthi indlu kamini yakabani. You understand? There is another story yangapha ngaphelele ukukhuluma igama. Omunye usisi osebenza istory sakhe ke abantu bafika bathi nosaboleka indlu bamkhipha abamkhipha nje. It's an offense ukuthatha impahla zomuntu ezibahlela ngaphandle.
I think I know that story.
You know the story.
When I was there.
You understand? So mabasikhipela ngaphandle sesile wavula icase abantu laba babona. Maphoyisa bathi ngene endlini. The case is still on. You understand? Then when they check ukuthi indlu ngabani, then they hit Greater Elias Mtshali. Then now the court ask, who are you? And uma uthi mina ngumkhosi, then who's that house belong to? No, do you have proof? No proof. You understand, Guti? This challenge is now. And somehow, we are saying to the municipality, I'm going to keep my title deed, my back door. Because before when we fight, we said, I'm a title deed, they were supposed to keep abantu bawala. I wanted to find out is in the race must balisa. This is Bali, Greater Elias Mtshali. Is in the race with Balisa. I'm a keeping car, equality because they were not reaching the data. We would at least come up. You understand? Even myself, I'm staying in the house where I don't know whose house is that because
yeah, sorry, Kanya, let me just go back, Kanya, to the issue. Yeah, the title deed.
Yeah.
What's up with the previously? I can't